Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making a quick Potoler Dalna. Potoler Dalna is usually made in the summer because it grows in summer climate. It is now November in England, but I went shopping to the Indian store and I found Potol, so I decided that's what I'm going to make. I've been craving this. It's very easy to make. So I'm using 400 grams of potatoes and 500 grams of potol, which I have actually chopped up and air fried, ready for the Potoler Dalna. So watch me and let's make this together, and let me know whether you like my recipes. Do like if you do at the bottom, click on like. If you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe and share ahead. You never know, somebody actually may be craving Potoler Dalna and wondering how to make it. So let me know, and also drop a comment below right here to let me know if you make Potoler Dalna differently and what you do differently. Let's get started. So let me quickly show you how we're going to prepare the potol. Just going to show you a couple. So you top and tail the potol, and then you peel it alternatively. So one, remove the peel, keep the peel, remove the peel, keep the peel, remove the peel, and keep the peel. That's how it is, and we're just going to halve it. I'm going to do the same to the next one. Top, tail, and I'm going to just make stripes. Right. I'm going to do this with the rest of the potol. And the potatoes and the potol need to be similar size. So I've already taken my potatoes and chopped them. So that's how you see it. Now all the potol are cut. We are just going to put a tablespoon of oil and put it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. So approximately 1 tablespoon or less, actually, half a tablespoon of oil. I've just coated them. I'm going to sprinkle some salt. And that's it. This is going into the air fryer for 10 minutes. Just set the time for 10 minutes. I'll come back and carry on. So we've got our dry ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of jeera seeds, which is cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, approximately 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. I've got a tablespoon of water here into which I'm going to put the powdered spices, and you'll see how I use this when I'm making the curry. So that goes in. All the powdered spices go into this paste, and I've got a tablespoon of ginger, which is grated. So that is going to go into the curry as well. Just give it a good mix. You might need to put a bit more water, but that will be the base. Other than that, I've got 400 grams of potatoes chopped up, 400 grams of the potol, which is in the air fryer, and as soon as it's ready, we'll start preparing this. We need a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree. You can use 2 fresh tomatoes chopped up if you don't have tomato puree. Tablespoons of oil heating up. We're going to put in 2 bay leaves and 1 dried red chilli. we are going to put in the cumin seeds. I'm going to reduce the flame a little bit. I'm going to put in the red chilli. Now this is, you can put this in right at the end. I like to release it in the hot oil so that the heat of the chilies is released. Quickly put in your potatoes. Give it a good stir. Cover it, let it cook for 5 minutes, and we come back. In the meantime, my potol is done. You can see it's nice and crispy. It's ready to be put in right at the end. Now that the potatoes have been cooking for, we're going to put in that paste that we had made before. It's got the ginger, the coriander powder, the cumin powder, the chili powder, and we're going to let that cook through. Sorry, my cooker went off. And then we are also going to put in the couple of tablespoons of tomato puree. This is concentrated, and we're going to pour in some water and let it cook for another 5 minutes before coming back to combine the potol. So just so that you can cover the potatoes. Already looks delicious. Right. So let's leave it to cook for another 5 minutes and cover it while it's cooking. And we set the timer for another 5 to 6 minutes on a simmer. It's been another 5 minutes. Let us now add the potol into the curry, and another 7 minutes or so it should all be done. How beautiful that looks. Awesome. So I'm going to set the timer for 7 minutes. Okay. It's been 10 minutes now since we put the potol in, and there you go, it's all done. Now you can add some more water if you want a bit more curry, but all the flavors would have soaked into Potoler Dalna. Yum! Potatoes are done. Let's taste it and see how it is. And turn it off now. Let's taste this. So as you can see, the potato is cooked through all the way. Really, really good. Soaked in all the flavors. Well, I'm off to enjoy my curry, Potoler Dalna. Do try this recipe, let me know how you like it. Leave your comments below. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.